You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. After a relatively quiet last week, if we talk about the stock and currency markets, trading activity may increase this week. The USA and the UK are off today, but important macroeconomic reports will be published every day from Tuesday. Starting from the Consumer Confidence Index in the United States and inflation in Germany, to data on changes in GDP, unemployment, and the Basic Price Index of personal consumption expenditures in the United States. Almost each of these releases may be accompanied by a surge in volatility, but only an unexpectedly strong decline in the underlying price index can become a strong sensation. Let's pay attention to the rental market in the USA. Almost 1 in 5 Americans faced difficulties paying rent, which is 2% higher than last year. Problems with paying for utilities are also increasing, indicating a decrease in the solvency of the population. But about 1 in 3 homeowners managed to refinance their mortgages before the Federal Reserve's key interest rate was raised. Banks are not having problems with payments yet, but this may change when homeowners refinance their mortgages at a new interest rate. Experts are talking about an increase in monthly mortgage payments by about $220, which will exacerbate the financial pressure on the consumer. And now let's move on to the oil market. Last week, sellers made another attempt to continue the decline, but demand under the support level of $77 per barrel turned out to be strong enough not to let the quotes of the American WTI grade significantly lower. However, a bearish scenario still looks the most likely. Therefore, a significant increase in oil reserves in the United States and the absence of a clear aggravation of the situation in the Middle East may weaken the activity of buyers of black gold. Traditionally, we complete the review by the cryptocurrency market, and here Ethereum remains the undisputed leader among the heavyweights. Recall that the main driver of growth is the expectation of approval of an application for the creation of an Ethereum ETF. The first good news for buyers was that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved the listing of these ETF on 2 stock exchanges in the United States, which significantly increases the likelihood of approval of applications for issuers. Thus, demand remains high, and most likely soon the Ether will be able to update the historical maximum, which was set not so long ago. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.